Welcome to HYPERIDES, your one-stop shop for all things automotive innovation. Today, we're diving headfirst into the world of cutting-edge car gadgets and accessories that are guaranteed to revolutionize the way you drive. So sit back, buckle up, and get ready to elevate your driving experience to new heights. Let's start off with a bang with the Bayou Auto and Outdoor Smart Car Kit. This ingenious all-in-one solution is the epitome of convenience, offering a comprehensive suite of tools that will make your car-related tasks a breeze. From a wireless car vacuum to a phone charger, inflator pump, high-pressure car wash gun, and portable lighting, this kit has everything you need to keep your car in top shape. Say goodbye to cluttered car interiors and hello to effortless cleanliness and organization. But the fun doesn't stop there. Feast your eyes on the HUDWAY Drive, a state-of-the-art display that takes your driving experience to the next level. With seamless Bluetooth connectivity to your phone, this sleek device provides essential navigation information and instant notifications right in your line of sight, ensuring that you never have to take your eyes off the road. Stay safe, stay informed, and stay connected with the HUDWAY Drive. Next up, we have the Racebox Meter Box, a must-have gadget for all you speed demons out there. This high-performance meter measures key stats such as acceleration and quarter-mile times with pinpoint precision, giving you valuable insights into your car's performance. Whether you're a seasoned racer or just looking to spice up your daily commute, the Racebox Meter Box has got you covered. But what about keeping your car in tip-top shape? Enter OBD11, the ultimate diagnostic tool for car enthusiasts. Simply plug this device into your car's OBD2 port, and you'll have access to a wealth of information about your vehicle's status and performance. From system diagnostics to performance monitoring, OBD11 puts the power of professional-grade diagnostics right at your fingertips. Now, let's talk about practicality with Droprax roof racks, the perfect solution for transporting gear on your next outdoor adventure. With its innovative design and rugged construction, Droprax roof racks make loading and unloading a breeze, allowing you to bring along all your essential gear without sacrificing space or convenience. Say goodbye to cramped car interiors and hello to endless adventure. But what about keeping your car clean and clutter-free? Meet the Rubot Car Vacuum, a compact yet powerful cleaning solution that's perfect for tackling messes on the go. With its impressive suction power and versatile attachments, the Rubot Car Vacuum makes cleaning your car a breeze, ensuring that your ride stays spotless and organized no matter where the road takes you. And let's not forget about comfort and convenience with the Cary Velvet Car Tent. This innovative accessory provides shade and protection for your parked vehicle, keeping it cool and comfortable even on the hottest days. With its durable construction and easy installation, the Cary Velvet Car Tent is a must-have for any driver looking to beat the heat and protect their car from the elements. Feeling adventurous? Gear up with the Yakima Road Shower, a portable pressurized water storage solution that's perfect for staying clean and hydrated on your next outdoor excursion. Whether you're camping, biking, or hiking, the Yakima Road Shower has got you covered, providing you with a convenient and eco-friendly way to access fresh water wherever you go. Now, let's venture into the realm of relaxation and leisure with the Hammocker Trailer Hitch stand. This ingenious contraption allows you to transform the back of your pickup or RV into a cozy oasis, perfect for unwinding after a long day on the road. Whether you're fishing, taking in the scenic views, or simply enjoying a well-deserved nap, the Hammocker Trailer Hitch Stand offers unparalleled comfort and convenience. Plus, its compact design means you can take it with you wherever your adventures may lead. But what about security and peace of mind? Enter the Tracky GPS Tracker, your ultimate safeguard against car theft and loss. Simply attach this discreet device to your vehicle, and you'll have access to real-time tracking on 4G LTE with worldwide coverage. With features like unlimited distance tracking and long-lasting battery life, Tracky GPS Tracker ensures that you're always in control no matter where your travels take you. And speaking of adventures, how about transforming your Tesla Model Y into the ultimate camping companion with the Fubble Camper Kit? This comprehensive kit adds functional utility drawers to the rear hatch, providing ample storage space for all your camping essentials. From a camp kitchen to sleeping accommodations, the Fubble Camper Kit has everything you need to turn your Tesla into a home away from home. So pack your bags, hit the road, and embark on the ultimate outdoor adventure with Fubble. But let's not forget about safety on the road with the Nautia Mini Tire Inflator. Despite its compact size, this mighty tire inflator packs a punch, delivering powerful performance with every use. With features like an OLED display and automatic shutoff, the Nautia Mini Tire Inflator makes inflating your tires a breeze, ensuring that you're always prepared for whatever the road throws your way. Now, let's turn our attention to convenience with the JoyRide eating tray. Whether you're on your way to work or embarking on a road trip, this versatile organizer fits most steering wheels and provides ample space for your laptop, office supplies, and snacks. With its adjustable design and spill-proof pockets, the JoyRide eating tray ensures that you can stay productive and fueled up on the go without missing a beat. But what about air quality inside your car? Say hello to the IQ Air Atom Car Air Purifier, your personal oasis of clean, fresh air on the road. With its advanced sensors and responsive design, the IQ Air Atom Car Air Purifier immediately detects and eliminates harmful pollutants, ensuring that you breathe easy on every journey. Whether you're stuck in traffic or cruising down the highway, this innovative device provides peace of mind and protection for you and your passengers. And let's not forget about keeping your car clean and organized with the Hotor Trash Can. This essential accessory attaches easily to your car's headrest or center console, providing a convenient solution for storing garbage and keeping your car tidy. With its waterproof design and versatile storage options, the Hotor Trash Can is perfect for long drives, road trips, and everyday commutes alike. But what about keeping your car smelling fresh and inviting? Introducing the Turbo Air Freshener, the ultimate solution for banishing unwanted odors and filling your car with delightful scents. Simply attach this innovative device to your car's air vent, insert the aroma filler, and let it work its magic. With its powerful spinning action and long-lasting fragrance, the Turbo Air Freshener transforms your car into a fragrant oasis, turning every drive into an enjoyable experience. And last but certainly not least, let's talk about keeping your drinks cool and your snacks fresh with the Uomi 12-volt refrigerator. This spacious and efficient refrigerator is perfect for storing all your favorite beverages and snacks on the go, ensuring that you stay refreshed and energized throughout your journey. With its eco-friendly design and versatile storage options, the Uomi 12-volt refrigerator is the perfect companion for road trips, camping adventures, and everyday commutes. With these top-rated car gadgets and accessories from HYPERIDES, you'll be ready to tackle any journey with confidence and style. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button to stay up to date with all our latest videos, and be sure to leave a comment letting us know which gadget caught your eye. Thanks for joining us on this exciting adventure, and until next time, happy driving.